It is yet again pumpkin spice season, so today I'm going to compare the pumpkin spice lattes from 3 of the closest drive-thru establishments to me and find out which one is the best. First up, McDonald's, or should I say McCafe. A small latte came out to around $3. Second, good old Tim Hortons, which is apparently the home of pumpkin spice. Also, it was latte happy hour when I went. #winning. Thank you, Maple Leaf Cafe, for the $2 latte. And lastly today, Starbucks, which always has such a long line. I mean, who's waiting this long for $5 lattes? Apparently me today. Here's the lineup again. I'm going to do this completely blind, both by blindfold and from my wife transferring them to random mugs. Let's get right on in and give these a taste test. Okay, number 1. That one's okay. It's not so sweet, which is better. Is this a different one?
Yes.
Okay. I don't think this one's as good. I don't know what's wrong with it. This is the last one?
Yes.
This one doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's pretty much like milk. It just tastes like more milk.
Ew.
So I guess, is this the first one?
Yes.
This is my winner.
Okay.
Probably followed by this one. It was just a little sweet. And then the warm milk. I think my contact fell out. Which one was which?
The one that you like is McDonald's.
This one's McDonald's?
No.
Oh.
You said you liked that one for
more. This is the one I liked?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the one you liked. That's
okay.
McDonald's. And then that one is Starbucks.
Oh, okay.
And that one's Timmy's.
My Timmy's. I love Tim Hortons. But apparently not their pumpkin spice.
Apparently not.
It's good. You should try them. They really, because they taste nothing like coffee, so.
Yeah, what? Does it taste like liquid mac and cheese?
Liquid mac and cheese.
I think I like Starbucks. That's because it tastes the least like coffee.